Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will talking about my Timo shopping. Open it and let's try it too. We'll talk about if it's worth it or no. Let's unbox. This is multifunctional heating health teapot. Heavy. So the brand is Yalulu. Some English too. Herbs to dessert, syrup, fruity, slow fire, hot pot, sterilizer, cool. Keep warm. And menu selection on, off, timer, preset, power, adjust. It's like glass. Very well made. It's like stainless steel. Instruction English and Chinese. And it's more bigger, this one. Oh, let's try to make some coffee here. You can cook some eggs. This is for boiling the eggs. Like that. And then you can put eggs. Okay? And I like it because it's more thick. But the handle is kind of plasticky. One is glass and without plastic. The Bidem have the silicone and the plastic on top. Yes, it's big too. So I'll attach this one here. There's the small exhaust here when it's boiling, and there's some holes here too. So this is multifunctional. Well made, this one. I really like it without plastic in this one. And the price of this in Timo is $68. But this is not the percolator style. It's different one. Make some tea. Very easy to use. Just twist it. And that's it. Now we turn on this. Just put the power on and then select the number. I do the black tea, which is PO3, and then adjust the flame until if it's boiling, you can adjust, lower it down. So I'm gonna just put the timer for now for 10 minutes. When it's boiling, I will adjust the flame, power adjust. It's boiling, the tea. Works pretty well. For 10 minutes. And it's automatic, will turn off. It's done our tea. Let's try it. Looks pretty good. Nice. If you want more strong black tea, you can boil it more. If you turn on this or use for eggs or any other of these functions, you can adjust the flame here, 400, like more or less. Now I'm adjusting the eggs for 400, and then the timer is here, more if you want, but it's only for 10 minutes. See, 10 minutes, and then you don't have to touch anything, and don't put too much of the water if you're doing the eggs. That's it. The timer is turned off automatically. Our egg is intact. Nice. Perfect. Oh, really works. Only thing that I don't like with this is very small writing here, like coffee or PO, hot pot, whatever. So far it's good for now, but just steam to be like durable or no. This one is a bit plasticky, but still very sturdy. And this one I really love it. See, look at the holes here for the steam to go out, and its capacity is a lot. That's why I really like it. It's a lots of option, 18 choices. You can check it out in Timo, and it's less than $100. Let's get some coffee with multifunctional Kettle. I'm gonna make 1000 ml coffee. 1, 2, 5. Just 5. Twisted this one here. And then just put it here. Turn it on. The coffee is PO7 here. So just do this. 1, 2, 7. PO7. And then let's do the power adjust. 800 and timer 10. And now just leave it. It will do the coffee. I add more water so that the filter will touch the water. Now, this one is kind of not working well with the coffee because I tried the coffee like the 07. So, and then adjust the power adjust and timer. When it hits the temperature of the it's 100, it will stop. It's not boiling anymore. So I tried the black tea for this PO3 and now it's boiling. So my verdict of this, it's good for any of the stuff that I tried. The coffee, not so. I don't think it's very good in coffee. But I try the same with the tea, that it's boiling for 10 minutes. I think it worked. It's my review with this. But so far it's good. Now, FYI, I read the instruction. The coffee is you can make it ahead of time, like 5 hours ahead, and it will automatically warm up for 24 hours and it shut down. But I want my coffee like, fresh and ready to drink. Anyway, it's up to you guys, but you can read the instruction. And I just like to use now the black tea function for this because it's working very well. See, look at my coffee now. It's getting dark. So now let's enjoy our coffee. Done. 10 minutes or 5 minutes. It's up to you or more. There's a timer here. Let's enjoy our coffee. See, look at that. Good for 3, 4, 6 people. This one, the one that I like. It automatic warm up. Affordable. Functionality and the material is good aside from the price, and it's really affordable. And check it out. I'm not sponsored with this one, guys. I'm just wanna say to you that I really enjoy. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.